we'll do is we can actually take a look at all of these different systems and see what they're using. We can send out some simulated phishing emails. We can check to see if their spam policies that on their systems are actually catching phishing attempts. One of the things that we do, we can compare if you're using, let's say, the base 365 anti-spam system, which is okay, but versus the system that we use, which is a product called Avanan, and we can run a report for a week and see what kind of phishing attempts that Avanan would have caught that Microsoft did not catch. And so then at that point, we can tighten up the security on that and say, hey, look, here's some recommendations on that front. Oh, do you have your two-factor authentication turned on all of your critical accounts? Who has global admin access into your 365 or admin access to your G Suite? So we need to make sure that those accounts are locked down, because if you've got full access to that and your account gets compromised, I can get into any one of the person's mailboxes at the company. And so you definitely don't want that to happen. So you want to keep those accounts separate. You want to have separate two-factor authentications turned on, and you want to have randomized passwords that are very strong.